शिरगांव जाल्ल्या चेंगराचेंगरीत मरण पाविल्ले पडोशे 70चे सुर्या नायेकार, औचित्यवाडो थियेचो यशवंत केरकार, आदित्य कौठणकार आणि तनुजा कौठणकार हांच्या कुटुंबाची आयतारा राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लैन भेट घेतली. सरकार तांकां आर्थीक मजत करतलोच, तशेंच आपुणय तांकां फावो ती मजत करतलो अशें राज्यपालान ह्या वेळार सांगलें.
So yesterday I visited the hospitals and today I am visiting the houses of these departed souls and injured people. And as far as government is concerned, they are doing wonderful work for giving relief to them. And this is a religious place. Burda and other things are they will have take 11 days or 30 days Burda after doing that. Then after that nobody has to touch them. That is concept is also there. So this incident happened. Stampede is first time in the history of Goa. It's an unfortunate incident. Everybody is having sad about it. And as far as possible, our Prime Minister, our Rashtrapati, all are aware of it and their condolence and other things are there. And our government also, the Goa government also already declared sufficient amount as a part of their first step. And they will think about ministry is representing this constituency is also very much aware. 3 persons lost their life and so many houses, of course, victims are there. And we will do the maximum. Unity of the people for this purpose is required. There is need of the hour.
Sir, you went to the location where this stampede happened. So, what people said to you? What are their concerns?
So that is now it's a subject matter of an inquiry. Inquiry is going on what actually happened. Yes. Various views are there. So for the time being, as the governor, let the report.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.